Hello guys, from this video we are going to start new course Solid Principles, introducing software architecture and design. So let's get started. This is the very first video and we are going to understand the introduction to Solid Principles and its advantages. So introduction to Solid Principles. The Solid Principles are set of 5 design principles. Okay, so it is set of 5 design principles that aim to make software systems more understandable, flexible and maintainable. So it will help you to make software system more. First point is understandable, second is flexible and maintainable. So this is why solid principles are very important in software engineering. These principles were introduced by Robert C. Martin and are widely used in any object-oriented programming language. We will take example of any object-oriented programming language. I will take example of C++ programming language in upcoming videos. So the SOLID acronym stands for following. So S stand for single responsibility principle, that is short form of it is SRP. Then S stand for single responsibility principle. O stand for open or closed principle, that is OCD. Then L stands for Liskov substitution principle, that is LCP. Then I stand for interface segregation principle, that is ISP. Then D stands for dependency inversion principle. Okay, so this is how solid whole word distinguished its acronym for these 5 principles. So let's understand its advantages. Advantages of solid principles. The solid principles in software engineering offer several advantages that contribute to development of robust, maintainable and scalable software systems. Here are some key advantages. First is modularity and maintainability, then reduce code duplication, then flexibility and extendability, then reduce code duplication, it's double the point, okay, just ignore it. Then easier debugging and troubleshooting, then improved readability and understandability, then enhanced testability, adaptability to change, promotion of best practices, then facilitation of collaboration. This is why solid principles are very important in software development. Okay, so by embracing solid principles, software developers can create software systems that are not only functional but also easier to maintain, extend and collaborate on over time. These principles contribute to overall quality and longevity of the software projects. So we are going to understand all these things using C++ programming language examples. We will start with